In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Notion pages with n8n. If you're building automations and want Notion to reflect changes automatically, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to plug Notion into your existing n8n workflow and keep your pages up to date without manual work. Start inside your workflow and look to the top right of the canvas. Click the plus icon to add a new node. This is how you extend your workflow with new capabilities. And in this case, we're adding Notion, so n8n can talk directly to your workspace. In the node search, type Notion, then select the Notion node from the list. Once selected, the panel will display everything this integration can do. You'll see both actions and triggers. Actions tell Notion to do something when your workflow runs, like updating a page. Triggers listen for events coming from Notion, like when a database item changes. Since we want to update pages, you'll typically pick an action designed for modifying existing content. Choose the action that fits your goal, such as updating a page's properties. Now configure the node by adding your Notion API credentials and setting the parameters for the action. Your credentials let n8n connect securely to Notion. If you already created a Notion integration, you can select those saved credentials. If not, create a new credential entry using your integration token from Notion. Make sure the integration has access to the relevant page or database in Notion so updates are allowed. Next, fill in the parameters for the node. This usually includes the page ID or a reference to the database item you want to update, plus the specific properties or fields you plan to change. Map the values you want to write. These can be static text or dynamic data coming from earlier nodes in the workflow. For example, you might pass in a status, a date, or a summary generated upstream. Pay attention to property types in Notion: text, select, date, and checkbox fields. Each expect values in the right format, so matching types will save you time. That's it. You've added a Notion node, selected the appropriate action, connected your Notion credentials, and defined the parameters that control what gets updated. From here, your workflow can run end to end, and the Notion page will reflect the latest data as intended. Thanks for watching, and enjoy automating your updates with n8n and Notion.